welcome back to another video, a day in the life of a college student. Today is Wednesday, April 21st, and today we are cleaning our room. We're going to do some assignments that's due tonight. I think that's everything, that the main things that we have to do today. I should be done cleaning my room by like, I'll say about like 3 o'clock. We might not be able to go to Trader Joe's to get our flowers today, but we're gonna see. We're gonna try. This is how my room is looking right now. Don't talk about my room. I've been in distress. Okay, I've been in distress. Let's get to cleaning. Okay guys, so let me check in. I'm checking in. It's 5:04 and I still haven't finished cleaning my room up. What did I say earlier? Play that back. I should be done cleaning my room by like, I'll say about like 3 o'clock. I was gonna be done by 3. Nah, but it's because I'm really deep cleaning my room. So let me show you guys what it's looking like now. So focus. Okay, yes, I just moved my bed right here. I moved this little thing here so I can have, I'm gonna be filming, you know, right here, or if I wanted to I can film right here. I'm gonna do some wall stuff. I don't know yet. I don't know, like kind of like at a corner. I don't know, but I'm about to go to Walmart. This is what I got on. I always wear this t-shirt, my bag, my mom jeans, and my Vans. So yeah, let's go to Walmart. I actually need to make a list. Let me sit you guys down of everything that I need to get. I'm not getting a lot. I need, what do I need? I need to do a face mask tonight too. My face is breaking out terribly. What is it that I need? I don't know. I don't think there's anything else that I literally need from Walmart now. So yeah, let's head on out and go to Walmart, and then what else? I need to go ahead and get in this homework that's due tonight. So when I get back, I'm probably just gonna finish cleaning my room up tonight. So when I get back, I'm going to walk my dog because I told her I will walk her, and then I'm going to do my homework that's due tonight, and then finish cleaning up my room. So let's go. So I'm back home from Walmart now, and I forgot to vlog in Walmart. Sorry, but I'm gonna show you guys what I got. We love a good haul, don't we? Yes. I went to Dollar Tree and I also went to Walmart. So from the Dollar Tree, I got these little popcorn boxes because I'm gonna do like a face mask tonight. I'm gonna watch The Photograph on HBO Max. I'm gonna make some popcorn. I'm gonna drink some juice. So, and then I also got a kite. So I want to do a picnic probably like Sunday or sometime next week, and I want to like fly a kite. So I got a kite. And then I got some organic panty liners. These are the panty liners I usually use. I use organic panty liners, and then I also use organic tampons. I've been using organic tampons for the past, what, 2 years now, I would say. So I'm trying this brand out. I've originally heard about the organic tampons from this brand, but I need like Super or Super Plus, and I've never seen the Super or Super Plus in the store, so I seen them in there today, so I just went on to pick them up. And then I got the kettle chips, and then I also got these little sun chips that my mom and dad love, and I decided that I'm just gonna try it out. And that's everything that I got from Walmart and Dollar Tree. Oh, and I got 2 clear mason jars that has a handle. They're so cute, but I put them in the sink so I can wash them. So yeah, that's everything that I got. So right now I'm about to get ready to walk my dog. I want to go ahead and walk her while it's still kind of like light outside, and then when I get back, I'm gonna just bring my laptop outside and I'm gonna start doing the homework that's due tonight. And then we'll come back and we'll finish cleaning up my room. So today really consists of cleaning up and doing work, to be honest. So I'm having a pretty good day. Yeah, so let's go. You ready, Patty? Okay, so I just finished walking Patty. Now I'm about to do this work. I think I have 2 assignments due. I honestly don't even know if I even missed any assignments, but we're gonna find out, and let's just hope I didn't, because I really don't want to have a nervous breakdown again, and I'm on 32%. I don't want to log in into Moodle and see that I missed an assignment, because I swear to God, I'm gonna go ham if I missed a freaking assignment. Oh wait, April 19th. I missed. Oh my God. Oh, whew. Ooh, we close tomorrow. Whew. Y'all, I had thought. You almost got me. Now I got a quiz due tonight too. Not graded. 4 hours. Oh, hell no. 500 words. Oh my goodness. Okay. So I just finished doing my assignment, my 2 assignments. They're completed, so now I'm just eating some dinner, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning up my room. I have to put these clothes up, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram and my Twitter. It'll be on the screen and it'll also be down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.